TPO Outside Corners. Outside corners must be constructed with non-reinforced TPO membrane and can be completed using a TPO Universal Corner, TPO Outside Corner, or a field fabricated corner. We will demonstrate a universal corner and a field fabricated corner in this video. A TPO Universal Corner can either be one inside corner or one outside corner, depending on how it is cut. Universal corners are available in white, gray, and tan. For an outside corner, cut along the dotted line located near the top and round the corners. The area around the corner should be clean and dry. Use weathered membrane cleaner to clean the membrane if required. Place the universal corner tight to the base of the corner. Universal corners will only work on simple 90-degree corners. Corners with angled cants must not be flashed with universal corner. Starting from the point of the corner, begin welding along the angle changes. Non-reinforced TPO membrane welds easier than reinforced, so be careful not to overheat. Once the corner is welded at the angle change, finish welding the rest of the universal corner. Universal corners should be 100% solid welded. Allow the seams to cool, and then probe for voids. Repair all voids. Now we will demonstrate a field fabricated corner. Measure the size needed. The field fabricated corner should extend onto the adjacent flashing membrane a minimum of 1 inch and up the corner a minimum of 1.5 inches. Cut the outside corner from a roll of non-reinforced TPO membrane. Remember to round all corners. All field fabricated outside corners must be preheated and pre-stretched to the shape needed before installing. Failure to preheat and pre-stretch will result in tearing of the membrane during installation. Using the heat gun, carefully heat up the portion of the corner patch that will extend up the corner. Begin stretching the membrane so it will form to the outside corner profile. Be sure to not overheat or overstretch. Once the corner patch fits nicely, they can then be welded in place. Starting from the point of the corner, begin welding along the angle changes. Non-reinforced TPO membrane welds easier than reinforced, so be careful you do not overheat. Once the corner is welded at the angle change, finish welding the rest of the field fabricated corner. Field fabricated corners should be 100% solid welded. Allow the seams to cool and then probe for voids. Repair all voids. Things to remember. TPO outside corners can be completed using TPO Universal Corners, TPO prefabricated outside corners, or field fabricated from a roll of non-reinforced TPO flashing membrane. TPO Universal Corners will only work on simple 90-degree corners. All field fabricated outside corners must be preheated and pre-stretched to fit the corner profile before installing. TPO non-reinforced membranes weld easier than reinforced membranes, so be careful that you do not overheat.